Hello everyone, my name is Akhil, working as Chief Staff and Welfare Inspector in Thiruvananthapuram Division of Southern Railway. In this video, we will be discussing about the benefits to already retired staff under UPS scheme. Retired staff means those who have already retired from service before 31/3/2025. They have to exercise this option within 3 months from 1/4/2025. That is, the last date for exercising the option is 30th June 2025. This option is also available to death cases in which the employee expired on or before 31/3/2025. Now we will discuss what all the benefits admissible for retired staff under UPS. The first and foremost is lump sum payout. As for regular employees who are retiring under UPS, this lump sum payout is also admissible to those who have already retired from service before 31/3/2025. The lump sum payout is calculated as 1/10th of last basic pay plus DA for each completed 6 monthly period of qualifying service. Then comes the top-up amount. Top-up amount is nothing but the difference between the assured or admissible payout calculated with the UPS formula and the amount that they are currently receiving under the NPS fund. And top-up amount is nothing but the difference between the admissible payout calculated with the UPS formula and the benefit they are currently receiving every month from NPS. This difference is called as top-up amount. We will deeply dive into the calculation of the top-up amount with a practical examination later. Next comes the applicable dearness relief on this top-up amount. Next, simple interest at the applicable PPF rates on arrears of above benefits. So these above three benefits are admissible to already retired staff or death cases. That is lump sum payout and a top-up amount, then applicable dearness relief on top-up amount. So these three benefits are admissible from the date of superannuation itself. For example, if an employee retired in the year 2022, he will be eligible for these benefits from the year 2022 itself. So, from the date of superannuation to date of submission of claim, simple interest will be given on the above three amounts. Then the most important thing is the above three benefits, including the simple interest, the above four benefits will be in addition to the benefits already availing under NPS scheme. Friends, you all know those who are retiring under NPS scheme, they will be eligible for 60% withdrawal of their corpus and balance 40% will be kept for purchasing annuity. From that monthly pension amount or annuity payment will be made to the subscriber. This benefit they will be getting regularly. This benefit they will continue to receive this benefit under UPS also. There is no option for them to remit back the 60% amount they have already received. That is final. They have received 60% withdrawal. That is final. There is no option for remitting the 60% withdrawal amount back. There is no option for reversing the annuity purchase also. So, the annuity they have purchased using the 40% value from that monthly pension they are receiving. In addition to that, they above set 4 benefits. The lump sum, the top-up amount, the dearness relief and simple interest. Above 4 benefits will be in addition to the monthly NPS amount. Now we can move on to the calculation part. Like in the UPS option, assured payout is calculated as half of the average basic pay into qualifying service divided by 300. Then minimum guaranteed payout is calculated as half of average basic pay into 2/300. If this calculation becomes less than 10,000, then the minimum will be calculated as 10,000, provided qualifying service should be greater than 10 years. That is, Q should be greater than 120. If a minimum service of 10 years is there for the employee, then even if the calculation comes out to less than 10,000, then minimum guaranteed payout will be 10,000. If qualifying service is between 10 years and 25 years, then proportionate payout will be given. Moving on to admissible payout. Admissible payout is assured payout multiplied by IC divided by BC. In ideal condition, individual corpus should match with the benchmark corpus. Then the equation becomes 1 assured payout multiplied by IC by BC into 1 minus final withdrawal percentage. how much percentage final withdrawal made by the employee, that much portion will be reduced from the admissible payout. In our case, in our already retired cases, they have already withdrawn 60% of the corpus from NPS fund. So this final withdrawal percentage will be 60. Then the assured payout into then the admissible payout becomes assured payout into IC by VC into 1 minus 60%. Like we said, IC should match with BC in ideal situation. Moving on to the representative annuity amount. Like we discussed, 60% of the NPS corpus already withdrawn by the employee at the time of retirement under NPS, and 40% is utilized for purchasing annuity. From this 40% annuity purchase value, we will be receiving monthly pension or annuity value under NPS. So this representative annuity is calculated as IC multiplied by 1 minus 60% withdrawal into representative annuity rate divided by 12. This is a complex equation. There is no need to delve into this complex equation. We can simply say that this representative annuity amount will be more or less the amount that is being monthly received by the employee. The 40% value that is kept for purchase of annuity, from that monthly pension is being paid to the NPS retiree, that amount will be the representative annuity amount. A specific equation is there for calculating the representative annuity amount, but it will be more or less the same amount that the retired employee will be receiving every month from the NPS as pension. Now the monthly top-up, like we have discussed earlier, what is monthly top-up is nothing but the admissible payout calculated under UPS equation plus the admissible dearness leave minus the representative annuity amount. So the admissible payout and its dearness leave minus representative annuity amount. It simply means the calculated amount under UPS minus what we are currently receiving as NPS pension. Then the family will definitely get 60% of the above monthly top-up being given to the employee. We will move on to this case study so that you will be more clear about the calculation. For an employee who had service from 11/2/2014 to 31/5/2024, that is 123 months of service, the average basic pay for 12 months preceding retirement was 24,900 for 11 months and 24,200 for 1 month. The average comes to 24,842. The NPS corpus at the time of retirement was 10 lakhs. He had withdrawn 6 lakh rupees at the time of retirement. Now he is receiving NPS pension of rupees 2,297. This amount will be more or less the same as representative annuity amount calculated using the UPS equation. Then now the scenario is, if the employee opted for UPS, he will get additional lump sum of 10% of this average basic pay plus DA for 20 periods. He had 123 months of service. Dividing it into 6 monthly periods, it will be 20. So the lump sum admissible will be 76,194. Now we can calculate the payout. Payout is P by 2, the average basic pay divided by 2 into Q by 300. Q means the total months of service. 123 divided by 300 into IC by BC. Here we can assume that IC and BC are equal. So we can take it as 1. So the payout comes out to 5,093. Since payout is less than 10,000, we will take 10,000 as assured payout. Now the employee had already withdrawn 6 lakh rupees under NPS while retiring. So 60% he had already withdrawn. Then admissible payout comes out as 10,000 into IC by BC is equal to 1 into 1 minus 60%. So the assured payout will be reduced 60% since 60% already withdrawn under NPS. Now the admissible payout comes as 4,000 plus dearness leave. Now we can easily calculate the top-up amount. Top-up amount is nothing but the admissible payout, that is 4,000 plus dearness leave for 2,200, 55% dearness leave minus what he is currently receiving as monthly NPS pension, 2,297. So he will be getting a top-up amount of 3,903 as additional amount. This additional top-up amount will be in addition to the monthly NPS pension 2,297 that he is already receiving. So this additional benefit is there under UPS scheme. This top-up amount is a beneficial item for those who have already retired from service before 31/3/2025 and in cases where employees died under NPS scheme. This option is beneficial for them. They will definitely get a top-up amount in addition to already receiving NPS pension. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.